Hey guys, just want to give you a quick review on this Allen wrench set, let you know why I got it and what I think about it. If you're anything like me, you lose these things all the time. I mean, I have bought so many different sets of Allen wrenches in different types of cases and ones that come kind of in the fold pack with the little sleeves or whatever. To me, like they're a lot of times like super hard to get back in place, and I always end up just kind of setting them down and losing them. So I end up buying new Allens all the time. I got this particular set because I like that it came in a really nice case, and also green's my favorite color, so I do like the green. But I got it because it came in this case and it's really easy. Let me actually zoom in to show you a little bit closer. There you go. So it's a really cool set and it's really easy to get these kind of in and out of here. I'm looking at it upside down, but they pop right in and out, so that's super easy. And I really liked the fact that it came with this leverage or breaker bar, especially for some of these bigger ones. So if you're trying to loosen up some bigger bolts, it's nice to have this extra handle to just have easily available to give you that extra leverage so you can go ahead and break them a lot easier. So I think that was really cool. And let me show you too. So you can actually unscrew this part too. So you see if you need a little bit shorter handle, and then it has the side for like your smaller Allens there. But anyway, so even without that, like it's a really good set and a really cool case, but it comes with like pretty much any size that you could need, from all the way down to like this tiny one, so standard or metric. And on the standard size, what's the smallest one is 7/250th, so I mean these are tiny, and the smallest one on the metric is 0.7 millimeters, so I mean really tiny, all the way up to really big. It's like 3/8 and a 10 millimeter. So I can't imagine, I haven't run across anything in my house that I needed a different size for. So for me, this particular set at the price I got it for is just an amazing value, and I honestly can't see where you might think you would go wrong by giving this set a shot. I really love it and totally worth it.